Hello, this is Tony from Real Suburban Anglers here with another unboxing video. This is from B.A.S S, directly from the manufacturer. First off, got B.A.S S decal, 3" by 5" I believe it is. So first we have the Jeff Crete Signature Series worm kit. It comes with 36" creek tail worms, 26" squirrel tail worms, and 44.5" squirrel tail worms. And additionally it comes with 4 shaky heads. These pretty light, feel like, you know, a quarter, maybe a 1/16 out, 3/16. And here's the worm colors, kind of a red bug with a peach tail. This one's, you know, kind of a darker green pumpkin with a yellow tail. These are the square, I believe they call them square tails. Little half watermelon and a half June bug red. This is looks like, you know, kind of a June bug watermelon mix as well. And they also have just, you know, just a plain watermelon color. You have a little shorter creek tails, different color. Next we have some of the bucket deals. This one is the worm bucket, 200 pieces. Variety of worms, little ribbon tails, stick baits. Just a wide variety of different colors. You know, really for $10 you really can't expect much, and you can't go wrong with anything you get. Next we have the 150-piece lizard kit. Again, same principle, just a bunch of different kinds of different colored lizards. Pretty self-explanatory what's in there. And lastly, we have the 125-piece tube bucket, which is just different colored tubes, watermelon, some chartreuse looking color, white color. This one is gold glitter, little blackish tail. Just a bunch of different tubes. And that's it for this B.A.S S order. Stay tuned for more unboxing videos, and we'll check you out soon.